Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Amelia G, and I have another breast cancer awareness nail video. So I always show you guys this peel base. Now I'm going to show you how I use it. So every time I go and do my nails, I typically always put the peel base on. So in this video I was filming for you all, I was doing a black base with the pink BCA ribbon as the accent, and it was just too much going on for me. I did not like how it turned out. I just realized that I am truly not an artist. I cannot draw, and you guys are definitely going to see what I'm talking about coming up. See, y'all thought I was playing. The ribbon turned out like almost like a baseball field. I don't know what was going on, but anyway, now I'm showing you all how I take it off. I wore this set for about maybe 2 days, but I just could not grasp the enjoyment of it. I was like, I do not like it. Let's just take it off. So I'm going to show you how easy it is with this peel base to remove a set that I have done. And all I do is take my little cuticle pusher and I gently tap on the edges of it and just remove it. So this is in normal time, no fast mode or anything, and just watch how easy it comes off. And just like that, I've removed my gel polish without having to soak my nails. This is why I apply the peel off the peel off base coat before I begin doing my nails. So if I don't like it, what I have polished on, I can just easily remove it without damaging my nails or anything like that. And now all of the gel polish has been removed without soaking. So if you feel like you're going to make a mistake, just use peel base. Now I have a special PSA from my niece Ava.
Click subscribe and turn on notifications to give me a huge thumbs up.